Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to start with lesson number 14. The name of the lesson is People Who Help Us. Today we are going to learn about the different people who help us in different way. So let us start reading the lesson. Every morning a maid comes to Saina's house to sweep the house. A milkman delivers milk, and a newspaper boy delivers the newspaper. All these people help Saina's family. People who help us and make our lives comfortable are our helpers. Let's meet some of them. So in this given picture, we can see different people who help Saina's family. First, they have said that the maid, she comes to help Saina's family. Then the milkman, he brings milk for Saina's family, and the newspaper boy, he brings newspaper for her family. So they have told us about three people in the picture who help Saina's family. Now there are many people who help us in day to day life. They are called as our helpers. They make our life comfortable. Today we are going to study about them. So in the first picture we see a policeman. A policeman catches thieves. In the next picture we see a nurse. A nurse takes care of patients. Third, a farmer. A farmer grows crops for us. Then cobbler. A cobbler mends shoes. Tailor. A tailor stitches clothes. A gardener. A gardener looks after the garden. So we see that there are different people who help us in different ways. When we have any problem, we go to a policeman. Then in the hospital, a nurse helps us. We eat different types of vegetables and crops which are grown in the farm. A cobbler, when we have to polish our shoes or we have to mend our shoes, we go to the cobbler. When we have to stitch clothes, then we go to a tailor. And in the garden, the gardener looks after all the plants which are there. So these are some helpers which help us in our day to day life. Then we see in the next picture a postman. A postman brings letters and parcels. Then a carpenter makes furniture. A barber cuts hair. A teacher teaches in school. A doctor treats people who are sick. A soldier protects the country from the enemies. So these are some other helpers which help us. The Grandma says we should respect the work done by people who help us every day. No work is big or small. So, children, we should respect each and every occupation. We should respect the person who cleans the floor as well as the person who is a big doctor. We should have same respect for each and every job. Now, the next one is Saina wants to know. Name two people who help you at school. So there are many people who help us in the school. First one is a teacher who teaches us different things, different subjects. Then there is peon who helps us in the school. Then there are aunties who take care of you when you are in the school. Then there is a gardener who takes care of the things and the plants which are present in the garden. Then there is a librarian who takes care of the book which are there in the library. So these are some people who help us in the school. You can write name of any two people in the given lines. Now let's start with exercise time. Question A. Write the helper you will go to if first one, you want to get a shirt stitched, so we will go to a tailor. So first answer is tailor. Second, your shoes tear, we go to a cobbler. The next answer is cobbler. Third, you need a haircut, we will go to a barber. Fourth, your mother loses her purse, so we will go to a policeman. Fifth, You need a study table. Then we can go to a carpenter. The next question is question B. Match the person with what he does. So first one is I look after a garden. Match it with the gardener. I grow crops. Match it with the farmer. I treat sick people. Match it to the doctor. And fourth one is I teach students. So match it with the picture of the teacher teaching in the class. The next question is question number C. Circle the object the following helpers do not use. So we have to circle the things which the person does not need. The first one is teacher. So first picture is of chalk, second is utensils, and third is board. So teacher does not use utensils in the school. So we have to circle utensils. Second is doctor, medicine, injection, axe. The doctor doesn't need an axe. Gardener, books, watering jar, and pots with a plant. So the gardener does not need books. So we are going to circle this book. Farmer, tractor, needle, and sickle. So farmer does not need a needle. So we are going to circle the things. In this picture we have circled the things which are not needed by the people. So children, this is all for today. Remaining part of the lesson we will continue tomorrow. Bye. Take care.